Well, hello there. Welcome to the final installment of my case break of 2020 Masterwork. These are boxes 7 and 8, and here we are on the final day of 2020. Looking forward to the upcoming year of 2021 and hopefully Topps maintaining Star Wars cards and doing good stuff as opposed to rehashing stuff, but I guess I wouldn't hold my breath there. But anyway, so these are the last two boxes. So far, it's been a really solid case. Uh, I don't want to jinx myself, but I feel like saying at this point I have only had one medallion, but that probably means that in both of these boxes they're just loaded with medallions. So we'll get right into it here and see whether it's good, bad. You know, like I say, if the how am I trying to say this? If the case that has been giving quite a bit continues doing so, or if it turns around and kicks me right in the teeth. Tough to tell there. So here we go, getting into the first mini box of box 7. So yeah, I don't know about everybody else, but not a lot for myself planned for here for New Year's Eve. Now that is a thickish pack, so it doesn't feel super heavy either. So is it just an extra card? Nope, it's a medallion. So, as I said, bring on the medallions. So I got a C3PO, the Yoda with the super long quote of fear is the path to the dark side, fear leads to anger, anger leads to hate, hate leads to suffering. So we got a Q90, so basically 0 from Mando, blue parallel. The 40th anniversary, Luke Skywalker's bravery, and medallion. And it's an autograph, purple one, of John Brannon, 21 of 50. So it's an autograph medallion. A little sad because the thing is, I was hoping to avoid hitting more medallions. But I guess beggars can't be choosers in this whole crazy collecting world. You get what you get. Topps would probably tell you, and you'll thank them for it. So probably a stamp relic here. So you got a Peli Mata, or Moto, Ninth Sister, green parallel to 99, 73 of 99. Another wisdom of Yoda. Death is a natural part of life. An Iden Versio and a base stamp relic of Padme. So far this box has been kind of meh compared to the first 6. But we could have a major recovery here in the last 2 packs of this box. We'll jump into this one. We'll skip the other one that feels kind of heavy because that's probably also another medallion. So we start off this one with a Cadel Coconics, a foil for the 40th anniversary, very icy corridor, blue parallel of Bays Malbus. Another 40th anniversary, Dinner with the Dark Lord. So this one should be numbered to 99, and it is. It is number 37 of 299, and it looks like I got my first duplicate autograph. A DO. Lynn Robertson Bruce base DO auto. So I just so happened to have the other one right here. So got the base in the blue. And here we go. Might as well just rip open this other medallion. Unless it's like the other box where it's another metal card, maybe a gold medal with a bonus auto. But it's not. It's just a medallion. So here we go, the Ahsoka Tano, a Yoda base, a blue Lando, Imperial Stormtrooper, and a purple medallion. Well, wrong way. Biggs the Dark Lighter. So I guess you'd say, at least for the medallions, they're both numbered. They're not just a base medallion. So far every medallion I've had has been a non-base. So again, this should be to 50, I do believe. It is 10 of 50. So here we go. Last box. Do we see a return to greatness? I would be so appreciative to get a Pedro Pascal or Emily Swallow. Maybe even a nice triple or quad auto. But chances of that are probably slim to none. That feels like a medallion again. So we'll do this first just to get it out of the way, instead of holding it to the end this time. Get it over with. Peel that Band-Aid off. Just pull it from the skin. Quick and fast. So we got a Chewbacca, a foil parallel of the Icy World of Hoth, a blue Captain Rex, an Imperial Tank Trooper, and of course this is going to be numbered to 299, 19 of 299, and our medallion in this box is a Han Solo, Rebel Alliance, 66 of 99, or 66 of 99. I'm not sure which way did you hold it. But anyway. So, pretty crazy that comes down to the last two boxes and I get just inundated with medallions. Avoided them like the plague in the first 6 boxes, but the last 2 are just peppered with them. Oh, we got that's a plate. Or a redemption. No, that's a redemption, isn't it? Yeah, that's a redemption, and I know who that is. Snap Wexley Blue. 40th anniversary Millennium Falcon's Escape. Jar Jar Binks. A Vicruel. And our online redemption, and I'm pretty sure there's only one signer that's a redemption. And that is what is her name there? It's Davis, Annabelle Davis. A base autograph of Annabelle Davis. Well, wouldn't you know? She made an appearance. She could have avoided my entire case, but no. Had to show up at the last minute. In the final box. But this is a plate. So is this a gold? Let it be a gold. Let it be a gold. The Child Blue parallel. General Pride. Finn. Into Carbonite, 40th anniversary. And I was going to say, where is my... I had my decoy set up here. Oh, there it is right there. I see it now. There's my decoy, because I don't want to spoil it. So I got Finn, base. So is this an autograph, or is this just a plate? It looks like a plate auto. So who we got? Dun dun dun. Oh, goes the other way. It's probably Dr. Pershing, if I had to guess. Nope. I know who that is. Holy crap. Holy crap moly. That is a Hayden Christensen 1/1 yellow plate. Even though it doesn't tell you on the back. So yeah, that's a pretty significant one there, if I do say so myself, and I don't have any 55s, so I can't even sleeve or top load it. But I know who I'm going to send a picture to and say, check it out. Bet you want it. Well, so that means this is probably just a stamp relic. Not that I'm trying to sound down, but it's like, geez, if I had just left that for the last pack, that would have been epic. That would have been a huge ending. So I got a Sagwa. Got a foil Imperial Storm or Sand Trooper. Oh yeah, I just was thinking, I don't have any, unless that's a sketch, which it doesn't look like it. General Hux green. So that's all I got was 3 sketches. And that's 16 of 99. General Hux. Another Wisdom of Yoda. Once you start down the dark path, forever will it dominate your destiny. And our last hit, and I will show it afterwards on this foil Sand Trooper, because it's going to be numbered to 299. A Chewie Janna stamp. And again, that will not be numbered, it's just a base. So there we go. That is a 273, a 299 parallel for the Sand Trooper. So we'll sleeve up this, and then we'll kind of do a quick hit recap for these final 2 boxes. Overall, though, like I say, really solid case. Only had that one iffy box in box 7.
We were kind of in that pause when we kind of usually start the season, and
so give me a second here to
was kind of the time where I decided that if I start
turn around and
going back to training,
organize everything here.
kind of quickly honest with myself in case there would be some sort of questioning or
Yeah, we'll move those goes around.
Going on the eyes, and that would never appear. To me, that was an indication that
It's okay. So here's our hit recap of box 7 and 8 of my case of 2020 Masterwork. So we have a Jana Chewy stamp, just a base. A Amidala stamp relic, just a base. A solo base dog tag, nice Star Wars Rebel Alliance 77, and that is numbered to 99, 66 of 99. A Biggs Dark Lighter, purple medallion. Again, it's so strange how these ones are horizontal as opposed to fitting in the window. I'm not sure what was the mindset behind that. If the medallion makers had two different designs and then they were kind of stuck when they got to this point. They just kind of tried to cram it in there. So that's a 10 of 50. Then we got the Lynn Robertson Bruce Dio base autograph. The Jack Claff as John D. Brannon medallion or dog tag autograph. And that is numbered 21 of 50. And then here we go, the last two. We got the autograph redemption for Annabelle Davis, and probably on par with I guess you'd say the case hit, even though it's not a framed auto, would be the Hayden Christensen yellow plate. 1 of 1. So yeah, that concludes this break, and again, appreciate you watching the whole series, and let me know your thoughts. If you have any comments, feel free to shout them out. But that concludes this case, and right here just before the end of the year, and we're gonna start off 2021 with some holocron, so we'll look forward to that, and everybody stay safe out there this weekend and everything, and we'll catch you in the next video, and as always, keep collecting.